Hello, nice to meet you. There is Zmotion Technology. Zmotion has one super high-speed real-time EtherCAT XPCIE motion control card. XPCIE1032H. It can do lots of motion control actions. Let's learn it step by step. If you are interested in it, come on, subscribe Zmotion Controller. More videos are coming. And welcome to talk. Okay, let's begin. Zmotion EtherCAT XPCIE1032H Motion Control Card Lesson 1. How to install the software drive. In this video, two methods will be shown. The first one, if you don't have real PCI device now. Please follow below steps. Step 1, download the card software drive. You can obtain it from our website. Download it. Then compress it, find driver folder. Step 2, open your PC device manager. Click Action, select Add Legacy Hardware. Select the second one, Manual Method. Select the drive from disk. Find Downloaded folder. Select this one. OK. Next. It is installing now. Installed. Step 3, check it. Open Device Manager again. It can be seen there is Zmotion Controller. Well, installed successfully. We can open it. Click Start. Now, you can connect the card through local interface. And write some motion control. Method 2, if you have real XPCIE1032H card. Let's see how to do. Step 1, same, download the drive. Step 2, install the drive. Open your PC's device manager. It can be seen there will be one/several PCI devices in other device category. Click Property, Details. And Hardware ID. The first one. Click OK. Again, right-click it, then click Update Drive Program. Select the second one. Choose the compressed file just now. MotionRT 7, drive signed. Next, then waiting. OK, it shows installed. Then, we can verify it, Zmotion device should be here. If you want to remove the drive, close the software and all programs. Device Manager again. Find it, right-click the uninstall device. Check this, confirm that. It will be uninstalled totally. Okay, Lesson 1, easy and basic. But it is very important for our XPCIE1032H card. For much info and deep knowledge, let's continue in next lessons. Next video will talk about C# connection. Thank you for your watching.